camera. So this would attach to here, and then you got the bolts that go there, and then you got the spring. This hooked around over here. What I did was I just used a hook tool, and then I braced myself on the frame and then just pulled as hard as I could, and then it dropped this down. And now I just gotta knock this pin out. It's flanged right here, but the other side isn't. So I just need to find something that I can knock it out with enough force. It's loose, see that? And then center stand should be deleted. Forgot to mention there's the card pin that just goes through here, and you just pry it straight and then pull it on through this hole here. Then another bolt that goes here, and it's part of the hardware. All right, let's get this pin out. I'm gonna try a 7/16 socket with a rubber mallet. That's how you get the center stand off. You don't need to bend these back at all. I think, if anything, you should be good. And yeah. Stay tuned for more.